So what we'll do next, after we've assembled the front chassis, is put the engine onto the chassis. There's 4 bolts that will assemble this chassis, the chassis to the engine. But if you don't have lifting equipment, you can use people to lift it up. You can actually take, just a hint, you could take a chain and maybe a long pole, scoot back. A long pole, and 2 people can lift it up and set it on the front chassis. So now, but we're going to use people to lift it up and put it on. Lifting it up, and then there's slots. Now, once you get the engine up on here, you can put your bolts in. 4 bolts in. 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Each bolt will have a lock washer and nut. At the same time, you put your belts on. But you want to make sure the engine is rolled back some. Yeah. Slide your engine back all the way. That way you can move it. You can put the belt on. Next, you'll take 2 rubber belts that come with your FUV, and slide them on and so. Make sure the gear is in neutral. That way the clutch won't hold the pulley. And then you can roll the belts on. Once the belts are on, you'll slide the engine back down to create the pulley to be tight. The next step, after you've tightened up the bolts on your engine, you'll want to tighten up the belt. You'll tighten the belt up by tightening up this screw. So by tightening up the screw, it puts some tension on the pulleys, which starts to make the belts get tighter. So you want to get about 3 to 4 centimeters distance on your belt, and that's about as tight as you can see on here. It says 3 to 4 centimeters. So you'll next, after we have the belts tightened, we'll attach the accelerator cable, which runs down here all the way back to the engine. And then you'll see this cable here. Once the engine is in place, you can run the cable through. You must remove the front plate off first, and then your cable will come here. So you see that screw? There's a screw where you'll loosen that screw first. Next, you'll insert the cable into the hole. Once the cable is inserted, you'll tighten the bolt to lock the cable down. You may want, after you started the engine, you may want to adjust the cable distance. That way the engine is idling or not idling or shutting off. But you can do that after you've started the engine. Okay.